Hi guys, and welcome to my morning routine. This routine I pretty much started doing every single day as we are currently in quarantine, so my days are virtually identical. So I like to start the day with the morning smoothie. This smoothie is very healthy, perfect to boost your immune system. For optional superfood ingredients, to add additional nutritional value, I added chia seeds, maca powder and bee pollen. If you don't have any frozen fruits, you can also replace them with some red berry powder. I put all the ingredients into my blender, being extremely messy with it, as I was doing it at a weird angle. I use NutriBullet blender, which is seriously the best purchase you can make and blends everything like a dream. That's the super healthy smoothie done. Ignore the color, it's very sweet and delicious. I move into my skincare routine. Here I'm showing you all the different products I've been currently loving. I'm going to show you the workout I've been currently doing whilst on lockdown. I think exercising and stretching are especially crucial while on lockdown, as we are not moving much and are unable to go to the gym or join fitness classes outside our house. My morning workouts normally involve yoga, stretching, as well as some good posture workouts. I find exercise to massively help me during these difficult times with both my physical and mental health. While it also gives me something to do, reaching my fitness goals. I couldn't recommend it enough. Here's a short sequence of my workout that day, but don't forget there's always a ton of free workout tutorials on YouTube to follow. But that is it, you guys. That's my morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video if you did, leave a comment and subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!